Wakey, wakey, navigator! Are you there?
Yes. I'm here.
I need your help with something.
Help you? How?
Well, I've got something hot that's come up. Are you excited by that?
I'm coming.
Get inside my pedo truck. Pop something light on to keep the chill away. And put on your special pedo baseball cap, which I've included for you. All aboard!
Full house. Gotcha again.
Full house. Damn right, mother. Let's have some 80s disco music to really ramp this mother up. I'll have you drive this bloody thing across the car park. Come on, come to me. Oh, that bloody dog. Off. Off. Come on, Pedomobile. Come to me. Come to me. Oh, right or left? Right or left? Definitely left. No, yes, left. Must watch out for that yellow truck. Oh, the bloody yellow truck. Quick, turn off Pedo truck. Turn off Pedo truck. I knew it was bloody right in that stupid car. Come on, Pedo truck. Bring me the navigator. I've got something for him to navigate. Nothing to see here. Round the corner. Oh, he can't let us in. He's simply not camp enough. Turn him on, please. Bring me the navigator.